Connect the tips of thumb and index finger on the left hand. Bend the middle finger on the right hand and press it against the base of the thumb on the same hand. Connect the tip of the middle finger on the left hand and the tip of the thumb on the right. The ring finger of the left hand should be placed above the middle finger bend and the index finger of the right hand. Then put the ring finger of the right hand on the ring finger of the left hand. The little finger on the left hand should be placed between the ring finger and the little finger of the right hand. And the last thing, the little finger of the right hand should be placed above the little finger of the left hand. Look attentively at what I am doing and try to repeat it. Now I will repeat it for you once again slowly so that you can see and try to do the same thing with your fingers. It's not that easy, but once you try it again and again, you will manage to do so.